Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
Visa free they are ruling neighboring countries. Flight आणि हॉटेलांनी तो स्टार्टिंग तांकां दिसुना. एअरलायन ऑल्सो ताका सांगलें जाता इतको टुरिस्ट येना अशें दिसलें आसपास आसा तितून आसा. सो प्रायसीस हॅव बीन रॅशनलायज. वी होप की आतां क्रिसमस टायमाक ऑलमोस्ट 90+ बुकींग आसा. गोवा हॉटेल फूल आसा. इट शूड हॅव बीन बेटर बट यू कांट कंप्लेन लुकींग एट की प्रेझेंट सिच्युएशन जी पळयता आमी तर फॉरेन टुरिस्ट ऑटोमॅटिकली कमी आसा कंपॅरेटिवली बिकॉज ऑफ वॉर लायक सिच्युएशन एट टू प्लेसीस. सो इट लुक्स लायक द रिपीट कस्टमर जे येवपाचे आसा ते मातशे कमी आसा अशें दिसता. कोवीड जो आसा वन थिंग वी हॅव टू रियलायज की गोवा हॅज वर्क ड्युरींग कोवीड. गोवा वॉज अ बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग स्टेट एज फार एज tourism is concerned at COVID times. If you compare that, we are at 33% of that level. As far as domestic is concerned, we had reached good level last year, and ह्या वर्सा मातसो कमी आसा comparatively. But overall, I think tourism is flourishing. Election, and when we are talking national election, definitely people like to travel less during that period because people, India as such, people are political. So they may be campaigning for someone, or they try to carry unforeseen incident may happen, or election time they want to be for voting purpose they want to in their state.